To pay with Apple Pay for tickets. Start by opening a web browser and navigating to the Tickets website. Upon arrival, you will see various options, including the ability to buy and sell tickets safely and fairly. To proceed, you will need to log in using your email address and other relevant information. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Once logged in, you can access your account, where you can view your calendar, ticket alerts, and payout notifications, among other things. To set up payouts, click on the Payout option, where you can view the status of your payouts and add a payout account by providing your bank details and residence information. Alternatively, you can initiate the payout process by selecting an event, finding a ticket, and clicking on it to buy. As you proceed to checkout, you will have the option to use Apple Pay. During checkout, you may be asked to apply a discount code, and you will pay in the seller's currency. After completing your purchase, you will be taken to a confirmation page,